Hello D-traders, you are watching InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. I'm glad to present you a review of the last week's trades on Wall Street. The US equity market plummeted on Friday as worries of a trade war between the United States and China grew. At the same time, Wall Street assessed disappointing employment data. The Nasdaq Composite dropped to 6,915.11. For the week, the high-tech index lost to 2.1%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 572.46 points to 23,932.76, closing back in correction. Boeing and Caterpillar were the worst decliners in the 13-stock index. On the week, the Dow declined by 0.7%. The S&P 500 slipped to 2,604.47, with industrials as the worst performing sector. Last week, the S&P 500 slipped by 1.4%. Equities hit intraday lows in the final 2 hours of trading, with the Dow falling as much as 767.2 points after Fed's chairman Jerome Powell indicated the bank would go further with raising interest rates this year. On Wednesday, China announced fresh tariffs on 106 U.S. products. U.S. President Donald Trump threatened more leaves Thursday evening. On Friday, China said it will not hesitate to react with a major response to the new tariffs from the United States. The downside movement of the stocks also followed the release of much weaker than expected U.S. jobs data. The U.S. economy created only 103,000 new jobs in March, while economists forecasted 193,000. Facebook shares were down by 1.3% on Friday. It backed, for the first time, proposed legislation requiring social media sites to disclose the identities of buyers of online political campaign ads and introduced a new verification process for people buying issue ads, which have been used to sow discord online. Shares of other large-cap tech companies also slumped. Amazon lost 3.2%, Apple was down by 2.6%, and Netflix dropped by 1.7%. Boeing and Caterpillar, these two companies, could be badly affected by a trade war. They both fell more than 3% on Friday. You are watching weekly review of the US stock market on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals with InstaForex.